Let's make our own Christmas decoration. Oh, you'll need a grown-up for this. Here's what you'll need. String, glue, some scissors. Okay, remember, always ask a grown-up for help with scissors and be very careful. Good. A pen, some card, and our special Christmas decoration craft sheet. Ask a grown-up to download it from our Bing website or from our Bing app. Okay, ready? So first you draw a cross. Now a circle. Let's try a smaller one. Fold it and cut. Now remember, be very careful. Ask a grown-up to help you with this bit. Oh, this is fun! Yay! Now tie your string. Loop it through. Yes. Tie it. Tuck it under. Carefully snip. Now, our special Christmas decoration craft sheet. Snip, snip, snip. Lovely. Now, dab, dab, dab with the glue. And stick, stick, stick. Beautiful! Finished! Oh, look! It's a Christmas decoration! Oh, well done!